நியூஸ் ஒன் சேனல் மற்றும் பயோஸ்கோப் நியூஸ் அன்பு நேயர்களுக்கு இனிய வணக்கம். உள்ளூர் செய்திகள் தொடங்கி உலகளாவிய அன்றாட நிகழ்வுகள், அனைத்து துறைகளின் விரிவான தகவல்கள் உடனுக்குடன் உங்கள் விழிகளை வந்து சேர நியூஸ் ஒன் சேனல் மற்றும் பயோஸ்கோப் நியூஸ் சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. மறக்காம பெல் பட்டனை பிரஸ் பண்ணுங்க. என்றென்றும் தொடரட்டும் இந்த பந்தம். இது உலக தமிழர்களுக்கான உறவு பாலம், மானுட இனத்தை மகிழ்விக்க வந்த பூபாலம்.
I'll speak in English, no? Better. Well, I've come here for the first phase of coming to Tamil Nadu in connection with the assembly elections. The CPIM today, all over the country, is in a determined struggle against the policies being pursued by the central government, led by the BJP and Mr. Narendra Modi as Prime Minister. All across the board, these policies are destroying the foundations of the Indian Constitution, imposing unbearable burdens on the people. The prices of petroleum products are being increased every day almost, and this is essentially a tax being imposed on the people, making their lives more miserable, in order to meet the propaganda expenditures of the Prime Minister and the BJP. And lakhs of crores of rupees are being collected by imposing greater economic burdens on the people. The economic policies that are being followed are policies that are destroying India's self-reliant basis of the Indian economy. The public sector is being privatized unscrupulously. Banks are being privatized and foreign banks are being allowed to come into India. All the needs and the purposes for which bank nationalization took place is being negated. The entire focus is on making the big corporates bigger. And India has today the most inglorious record of the highest growth of economic inequalities, when nearly 15 crores of people lost their jobs and livelihoods last year due to this COVID pandemic. You had our billionaires actually making a bonanza profit, and the highest growth of the wealth of the billionaires anywhere in the world is in India. And all policies are being directed towards further enriching chosen cronies or friends of the Prime Minister, and everybody knows who they are. And this is destroying also the Indian industry, in the sense that except for the big corporates, all other sectors of the industry are being ruined, particularly the MSMEs. When I come to Coimbatore, I always remember that all through in the past, for many, many years, Coimbatore was known as the pump capital of India. And today you see the complete destruction of this entire sector, the largest employer in industry. You've seen the laws that have been brought in the name of agrarian reforms. For more than 3 months now, the farmers are on a struggle, and they have encircled the capital of Delhi on all the national highways. And this government is being totally obstinate to accept a very, very, very simple demand and a very reasonable demand. What are the farmers saying? Repeal these laws that you have forced on the country through the parliament without allowing any parliament discussion. Discuss with the farmers, discuss with other stakeholders, discuss with his own cronies and friends, and then bring fresh proposals for agrarian reforms and enact them in parliament in proper way. This is the most reasonable demand.